Most partnerships don't fail because of trust. They fail because expectations were never clearly defined. A partnership agreement sets the foundation: roles, profit sharing, responsibilities, and what happens if one partner decides to leave. But drafting one from scratch can be time-consuming, and missing a key clause can create problems later. Here's how you can generate a partnership agreement using AI. Start by visiting www.legitai.com. Open the AI contract generator and type partnership agreement along with your requirements. Within seconds, a structured partnership agreement is generated automatically, clear, organized, and ready to review. You can go through the document, fill in important details like partner names, capital contributions, and profit-sharing terms, then save the agreement once everything looks right. From there, you can download it directly or continue with adding signatories if needed. This is how partnership agreements move from an idea to a formal document, quickly, clearly, and without unnecessary complexity.